Hello friends, welcome to our channel Electrical Decodes. In this video, we are going to see about what is electrical design, why we need electrical design, and what are the different types of drawings available that is related to the electrical. So first of all, we should understand what is electrical design. Electrical design is a process of creation and implementation of electrical system and its component. So the process of creation and the implementation of electrical systems and its component. It is called electrical design. Okay. When you are going to make or create the electrical system, you should involve various electrical principles and electrical laws and the regulations and etc. Some building codes, whatever the basic requirement is there, you should consider when you are going to make this electrical design. Okay. So now you have intent to create some electrical design and you are involved in some of the regulations and electrical principles. After that, it can be, you can be create this electrical design with the help of computer aided designing tools. So that is called CAD or PSCAD or whatever computer designing softwares it may be. Okay, so the electrical design is the process of creating and implementing some electrical system with involvement of electrical regulations and various electrical principles and with the help of the computer aided designing tools. It is called electrical design. I hope you understand this, what is electrical design. Second, why we need electrical design. So in the first point I tell you, it confirm the reliability and safety. The major thing what I consider is very important, this electrical design will give you the reliability of your project. It will give, for example, if you have one design, it is approved by your client, then you have a reliability on your project. And you are in a safety side, it means a safer side, so we will include safety also. So after that, it meets all building codes and regulation. This all we already incorporated in the previous slide. So leave this one. So why we need electrical design? It will give you the reliability and safety to your project. The second thing, the determination of important thing, determination of building total electrical load in kilowatts. Okay. Mostly all our video is related to the construction industry. So in construction industry, you are going to design, you are going to make electrical design for one G+4 building. You are going to, at last, you will get the total load of the building. So this, why we need this one means, based on this load, you are go for the transformer. Based on transformer, after that we'll go for the LV panel. After the LV panel, we go for the submain, and based on that, we will selected all the cables. And your all your project is related involving your, it means revolve around your total connected load of your project. So you will determine the total electrical load in your electrical design. So that's the main reason we need electrical design. So another electrical design also consider various safety factors like fire hazards and requirements of grounding, electrical shocks, hazards, etc. Okay. In the designing first slide, I told you you are going to involve some regulations. So here the regulation means the regulation will give you the safety of your project. It will ensure safety of your project and the one who is going to use that project. So that safety measurement already we have taken. So this is also the one reason, the requirement of grounding and the electrical shock hazards. These are the safety measures we can achieve with the help of electrical design. So this is the one reason why we need electrical design. And another, effective electrical design is the most important thing. Effective electrical design also minimize the rework, repair, and construction cost of the building. Okay. If you have electrical design, it's more effective. It means if you have a design with good means no error and no any changes after that will happen and it's a perfect design. If you have a perfect design, it will give you what it will reduce your rework and repair. So if automatically it is reduce your rework means it will reduce your construction cost of the building. So these are the main reasons why we need electrical design. So then we go for the types of drawing. As listed here, we have a 5 types of drawing: design, tender, IFC, shop, and as-built drawing. So we're going to see the one by one. First, design drawing. Design drawing means it is created during the design phase of the construction project and serve as the graphical representation of the proposed building or structure. Okay. Design means if you are going to, as I told you last time, yani previous slide, as I told you, G plus 4, you have a G plus 4 means you are going to design a G plus 4 construction project. So this design drawing means the initial layout, how the building will look like, and what are the things, major things you will consider in the building. So this graphical representation we called design drawing. So it simply, if you want, I can say in simply, it is a initial drawing. It is a initial drawing to understand what is project and how it look like. So this drawing will be made by the consultant. Then they will show to the client. The client will satisfied. Then they will give approval. They will approve to go for this design. Then we will go move for another step. So this is a design phase. They will make some designs and graphical representation of the building. They will get approval from the client. For that, drawing is called design drawing. Second, tender drawing. Tender drawing here also been called as a bid drawing. It is prepared for the purpose of obtaining. It is prepared for the purpose of obtaining bids or estimates from the contractors during the tendering and fitting phase of the project. Okay. Tender drawing means which is the drawing created by the consultant, the one who make design. They will make they will put more information in the design drawing. They will make another step. It is called tender drawing. It is also called bid drawing. This tender drawing they will distribute it to the contractors. Then the contractors will make their estimates and they will give the quotations for the project. So this tender drawing is called a bid drawing. I told here. See, I add one image here. The tender means it is an invitation to the bid for the project. It is called a tender. And this drawing, based on this drawing, the contractor will make their estimation and they will give the quotation to this particular project. For that purpose, for that reason, they are creating one drawing that is called a tender drawing. Second, IFC. Sorry, third one, IFC. This is finalized drawing. Simple. This finalized drawings that have been approved for construction after design, development, and review. Okay. So your design is completed and it is reviewed. So after that, it approved by consultant or client. Then it comes to the contractor to start construction activity. That is called IFC drawing. IFC means issued for construction. Means all the designing work is completed. That drawing is issued for the construction work and to start the construction activity. That drawing it is called IFC drawing. If you are a site engineer or if you are working in any project, you may not be know about the design drawing and the tender drawing. But if you are working in a site level, you should 100% know about this IFC drawing. So after that, this used as a contractual documents for the construction and provide details and information necessary for the building according to the approved design. Okay. So here, see this. I will explain this. What is this approved design? So first they make one design drawing, right? They get approved from the consultant. Based on that approved design, they will put the details what are the necessary details into the drawing. So they will finalize that drawing. It is called IFC drawing. What the approved design. So the same approved design, they will include all the necessary informations and they will get approval from the client. and they will issue to the contractor. That is called IFC drawing. And after this drawing, the construction activity will start. So, fourth one, shop drawing. Shop drawing, it is a detailed drawing. Shop drawing is a detailed drawing produced by the contractor to show how specific building components will be fabricated, installed, and constructed. Okay. Also, the shop drawing includes precise dimensions, material specification, and installation instructions. Okay. Let's come into the shop drawing. This shop drawing name is, maybe you all of us will know very well what is shop drawing, and this shop drawing exactly what it means. It is a detailed drawing produced by the contractor to show how specific building components will be fabricated or constructed. So in this drawing, we have, for example, if you want to build a one room, for example, they will give each and every measurement, how the door will be and how it will be open, and how much the door size, and how where the window will be, how much the window size, where the from this corner to window, how much distance, all these details, all this measurement will be included, and it will be very easy to do a site activity. So this kind of drawing is called a shop drawing. This is made by the contractors, and this get approved by the consultant. So after that only we can proceed the work at site. So this drawing is called shop drawing. So at last we have a as-built drawing, the final completed condition of the construction project. We have to make this drawing. What are the things we have to consider in this drawing? I listed 4 things. The 4 major things. This as-built drawing should incorporating any changes. So you have a shop drawing approved, you follow the site work. And due to the site condition, you may change anything in the site. So as per the shop drawing, it will not, shop drawing and site condition is different. You have made some changes. That changes should included in the as-built drawing. So after that, if that changes happen, automatically the dimension also will change, and location somehow it will change. So you have to including that dimensions and location as well. So any modification or deviation from the original design that occurs during the construction. So this all 3 points, first all 3 points are related to one thing. If any changes is there, you should make changes in the as-built drawing with the exact measurement. And last one is the field measurement. So you should update your drawing with the field measurements. What are the site condition measurement is there, you should update in that. So this as-built drawing, where is when the building is completed, that time we are going to make the drawing. What are the changes which is done after we get approval from the approval of shop drawing. So that are the changes we included in this drawing. We will submit to the consultant, again we'll take approval, and we submit to the client for their future reference. This is called as-built drawing. I hope you understand about this, what is electrical design and why we need electrical design, and what are the different types of drawings we have in our construction industry or electrical industry. I hope you understand about this little bit. If you have any doubt, please comment in our comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.